What's going on, guys? Last time you guys were with me, we were installing this beautiful leg maker intake. Beautiful work by Chris at Leg Maker Intakes. But now we're gonna install something that is not necessarily for performance, which is this catch can. The reason why I chose this catch can Mighty Mouse is because it comes with the fittings that go here, factory, like factory, so you don't gotta be dealing with anything else. The reason why you want a oil catch can, especially on a supercharged or turbocharged engine, is because of the blow by that you can get by a piston. I don't know if you guys know this, but on this 6.2 liter Hemi, the compression that it has, the power that it has, is like if you put 4 chargers on top of a piston each time it compresses. So think about the blow by that comes through, especially when when you're kind of stepping on it. And the reason for that, the oil catch can catches all the air with the fuel that's not mixed properly, and it stays in there and it doesn't go back into the breather, or it doesn't recirculate back. And what it does is basically it's like a pre-filter, I guess you could say. But one of the reasons aside from that is because in here you have the heat exchanger of the supercharger, and in here it has little fins, tiny little fins. And I mean, not now, but with time, if you don't have a oil catch can, it'll start gumming up all the little fins, and the cooling and the performance of your supercharger will drop significantly. So you want to have that, like I said, not for performance gains or anything like that, or not to look cool, but it's more of a maintenance, of a preventative maintenance type of thing. I know right now, I mean, for a lot of these 700 horsepower it might not be a lot, but with the plans that I have for this engine, hopefully by the end when we're done, we're gonna have about 820, between 820 840 horsepower to the wheels, to all wheels, right? So we're gonna switch out injectors, cooler plugs, upper pulley, lower pulley. We might run water methanol, and I'm gonna try to keep it all at 91 octane pump grade, I guess you could say. One of the reasons why I don't want to switch to E85 is because here in El Paso there's not a lot of E85 fuel stations, and like I mentioned in another video, that I travel a lot. I have a cabin here close in Ruidoso, so I'm always going out there. And I mean, if I want to go out there with my kids or out there, I mean, I want to take my truck. I don't want to be having to deal with that there's not a gas station that carries the 85. So that's a drawback. So I think with that I could run higher PSI from the supercharger by running water methanol injection, but we'll see. For now, I'm just gonna show you guys the installation of this one. Pretty simple. It's just that with these engines, they run super hot, so you just gotta be careful and letting it cool down a bit. This one's gonna go about right here with the bracket that it comes with, and it's pretty cool. You can see the little breather filter that it has. It has the Mighty Mouse logo, and this company, I mean, you can see it's made out of, obviously this one's anodized, beautiful finish, and inside you got some other filters and stuff. But it's really cool. I really like it because like I said, I want to kind of keep it that factory, kind of a little factory feel to it. I know, I mean, this is nothing having to do with factory, but I mean, I'm pretty sure this will definitely help, the way that I maintain my vehicles. Every 3,000 miles, or every time I change the oil, I clean the MAF sensor. I do little things to it, preventative maintenance that a lot of people don't do to their vehicles, but I always do all that stuff. And this is pretty much the first time that I'm gonna have an oil catch can. I used to have turbo cars before, but my other cars, my Escalade like that, I mean, don't really need it. Not gonna run that much power like this, but Alright guys, I'll give you guys a heads up when I'm done with the installation. Folks, that's it. Install done. Like I said, it was a very easy install. You just had to take these factory fittings off. You got these cool AN style fittings. Very clean look. This one bolted directly. There's a hole that was already there, so it's all factory setup, or how I should say, it's a true bolt-on. You don't have to drill, cut, nothing. You still have the original line that goes like so. So essentially all it does is it catches any blow-by oil and unmixed fuel from going back into the combustion chamber and creating carbon deposits that are not wanted. So very clean install, beautiful looking engine. Can't wait for all the other mods that are to come. Guys, stay tuned. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. I'm out. Thank you.